Okay guys, this is John from the Trucker's Kitchen. A few of y'all been asking about okra, how to dehydrate okra, so that's what we're going to do today. Alright, got our little mash down on our things. And I bought some okra from Walmart. Take it, open it up. Then you want to put the okra on your tray. And spread it out. Now this is dehydrating, so you're trying to break these up as much as possible. Get one nice level. There's going to be pieces in here that are going to be bigger than others. So, but that right there is about how a tray looks. Okay. So I'm going to put this in here on top. Now I'm going to do it one more time. Take your tray. Let me tilt this down where y'all can see. I'm sorry, I didn't know that wasn't tilted down. Take your tray, take your mesh screen, put it on top of your rack. You can buy these mesh like this on Amazon. I'll try to leave a link on the bottom. Sometimes I forget, so somebody needs to remind me. Then you just open up your bag and put your okra down. And just spread it out. You got big clumps that are 2 or 3 tall, like this one. Take and break it up. Even the end pieces are going to be okay. And just stick that in. Now time doesn't really matter in this. So let's set everything up 125. So we're going to take this up. We're going to take this up to 145. 140, I mean. 140. Yeah, 140. All right. 15 degrees higher than you actually want to use. 12 hours. I'm going to take this up to 14 hours. All right. All you got to do is close this and hit start. Now, 140 degrees. For 14 hours. Now, in an hour's time, I'll come back and turn that down to 125. All right. When this gets complete, I'll be back. See you when I see you. Okay, guys, I'm gonna pull out this dehydration project, the okra. As you can tell, it produces some, but not as much as you think it would. Now, let me get this where y'all can see all this. This went 14 hours. I let it sit for about an hour to cool off. This is what we call checking checking it to see if it's got any moisture left in it. Take a piece like this, and when you can crumble it up like that, you know that it's good to go. Do this another one. All right, I'll go over here to this one. Now, I let this go 14 hours. You don't have to let it go 14 hours. You can probably get away with 10 to 12 hours. But life happens. I got busy and I forgot about it for a little while. So that's where we're at on that. Trying to find my jar that I just had. I'll be right back. All right, the way I'm going to store this is just in a mason jar. I'm going to take this and pull this one up right here. Some of this will stick. It's not because it's moist, it's because of the sugars that are inside the okra. Now, I would rather be using fresh okra. Don't have any. So we're using frozen. I'll put this in here to store now. People ask me what I use this for. I use this as a filler in my soups. I use it in my gumbo. I use it in a lot of things. Another way I use it is I powder it down and use it as a thickener. It's a natural thickener, okra is. So you can use it in other things if you want something thick. You can't have dairy or cheese product in it. You can use an okra. Just make it thicker. That's how much I got out of 2 bags. Almost a pint's worth. Okay. Now, y'all saw me do another batch of frozen vegetables, mixed vegetables. The reason why I do a lot of mixed vegetables is because I eat them like that. You'll see me in my videos rehydrate them and use them in my food. But also, I powder it. I make a vegetable powder. Why do I want to use this? Well, there are people in the world, aka my wife, who do not like, chunky stuff in their soups. So I make a vegetable powder. Now what I can do is take a cup of beef broth or chicken broth. I can take a tablespoon of this, a little bit of salt, and some hot water. And heat up the broth to where it's hot, put everything in, stir it up, and they got a vegetable broth that they can drink. It's really handy if you're sick, or if you having your teeth pulled or something like that. Now I want y'all to see the coloring on this. This coloring of this veg oil is what makes me like it. Can y'all see that really good? I hope you can. Let's try to bring this up here to you. Look at that coloring. Nice and powdery. Like I said, it dissolves real easy in liquids. Make a fine broth out of that. So I hope you learned a little something with this. And if you have, please like and subscribe. If you didn't, leave me a thumbs down and leave a comment. And as I always say, be good, be safe, and I'll see you when I see you.